Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my dog's feeding routine because this is one of my dogs. His name is Memphis, and then the other one's out there, if you can see her. But I have a special food for, this is the one out there whose name is Jade, and this is this dog's. And so she has 1.5 scoops of these. This is the scoop. And then he has 3.5. So this is the dog food we give them. It's upside down, but yeah. So I have to give Memphis 2 more scoops. Sorry, it's night out because we feed them at night mainly. Very comfortable. Alright. So Memphis is done. He doesn't need anything special because he actually eats his food. That's why you have the slow bowl. Because he eats it too fast, he'll throw up. Get down. Get down. Who do you think you are? Okay. And then they get, Jade, sorry, this is hard to do with one hand, gets one of these vitamins. Because she is an old dog. She's about 12 now. And then she gets part of a half food, like 1/2. Try to break this with one hand. There we go. She doesn't like to eat it just by herself, and then I'll usually wet it down just a little bit. Grab my spoon, and then we also feed her this, so she gets 1 packet of these a day. So, yep. And so then, that's right. And then I'll stir it. Okay, and then I'll add the soft food, or wet food, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, look at that. She gets half of a can of these every day, so. This is just the old lamb with rice. And then I'll mix that in with this. And then I'll open up the old soft and moist. They are both English Springer Spaniels. He's 8, I believe. And Jade is 12. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to put you up here because I can't get this open. There we go. Like this, can you sit? Good boy. And then I'll add this with it. They spill everywhere usually, so I'll get all of these that I spilt and put them in Memphis's. And then I'll stir, sorry mosquito, I'll stir it up again. And this is what it looks like when it's done. I guess I'll give Memphis one. Alright. And then I'll give this to Memphis. I'll lick it off, like all the wet food. That's how you clean it. Spoon that you always use for dogs. That spoon is just for dogs, like we don't use it for ourselves, like us humans. But that's what I do for my dogs. This is for Jade. I guess I'll show you her real quick. She's right there. I'll try to go closer, but it's really dark out because it's like 9 o'clock or 8, something like that. Yeah, look at my JJ. She has cataracts in her eyes, which is why her eyes are all funky, but we have medicine for that we give her at night. Get my shadow out. Stop, Jade. Right, there she is. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.